In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Slack subscription. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your Slack account. You can do this by navigating to slack.com. Once you've logged in, you'll see the left panel. Here, you need to click on your workspace or group name. This is usually at the top of the left sidebar. After you click on it, hover over the option that says Tools and Settings. A little drop-down will appear, and from there, select Workspace Settings. Once you're in the Workspace settings, you'll be taken to a new page with a lot of configuration options. Now you'll want to focus on the left sidebar menu again. Scroll down until you reach the Administration section. Here, you'll find an option labeled Billing. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to your billing overview page, where you can see details about your current subscription plan, billing history, and other related information. Look for a button that says Change Plan Details. It should be relatively easy to find on this page. Click on it. Now, a configuration window will pop up. This is where you can adjust your plan settings. You're going to want to change your selection to Downgrade to Free. This option allows you to transition from your current plan to the free version of Slack. Make sure you select that option carefully to ensure you are downgrading correctly. After you have made that selection, you will be faced with a crucial decision. Slack will give you the choice of whether you want your cancellation to take effect immediately or at the end of your current billing cycle. If you prefer to keep your features until you reach the end of the billing period, choose the option for cancellation at the end of the current cycle. However, if you're ready to make the switch right away, you can opt for immediate cancellation. After choosing your preferred cancellation timing, click on Continue to Checkout. This will bring you to a confirmation page. Take a moment to review your selection and ensure everything aligns with what you want. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and confirm the downgrade. And that is it. You have now successfully canceled your Slack subscription and transitioned back to the free version. It's a pretty straightforward process when you break it down step by step. If you've found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to learn about